What is going on? Beautiful day here in Orlando, Florida. Uh, Happy and thankful for another day to be alive. We're healthy, we're well. We finally got the move done and over with, which I'm very excited about. Moved into this apartment complex here in Florida and here in Orlando. Wow, but a little nervous. I feel like my first video, because when you don't post a lot, it you don't you get so nervous because you're not used to doing it, like how you if you did it every day like I was starting to get used to it, get the feel for it. But because I'm not doing it as much anymore, now every time I do a video I'm so nervous. I'm super nervous. um, but hey, that's 2000. um, but I am happy that I'm doing this again. I just wanted to shoot a quick short video about the package that I got from Malaysia. So it's nothing special, it's nothing crazy, but it is something that I wanted to share with you guys because it does have to do with the project, um, and anything that um, can make this project better is a plus. So um, I'm gonna show you guys why I got this package, and yeah, let's get right into it. So, So I got these window visors. It's not the eBay ones. It's the actual Honda ones. Let's see, right here. Yep, Honda. Um, but I got um, these visors, and I mean, to find visors like this, it's very, very rare, especially for the Farios. Um, and if I found another set of these and on eBay, and I think they wanted $200. They were clean, they were mint, um, and they had all the clips. But the shipping was another $100, which is worth it for those who has the money for to drop like that. By all means, do it because it's worth it. Um, than just buying, the regular eBay ones that everybody puts on their stickers, and they eventually fall off. So yeah, I got these for a really, really, really good price, and I could not pass that out. And they're missing a couple of clips. Like this one is missing that corner piece, which is the one that hooks to the front of the door. And then, the other ones are missing a couple other clips. And whoever had these before, or before the guy that bought them or sold them to me, he found some clips, but really did a horrible job in gluing them. And they're scratched up and have a couple scratches here and there. So what I'm thinking about doing, and correct me if you think that's a good idea or not, but I'm thinking about trim painting them, like trim paint, so I can put them up on because I don't want to have them with those scratches on the windows. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and open up this package. So it's crazy because I have to find ways to um, film now. It's not the same because you downsize. I don't have a garage anymore to put my car in there. I don't have a driveway anymore. Um, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to film and do a lot of things that I want to do, especially with the car. But I'm gonna do the best that I can until we can finally buy the house that we want. Unfortunately, it didn't work out at the other house. We decided we wanted to build our own house and to the way that we wanted to do it, and we just everything happens for a reason. Plus, she's going to school over here in Orlando, and I'm gonna start going to school. So it was a smarter way. It was a smarter idea to come up here and be up here closer to school because the drive and everything. Sorry about that brightness. The drive and everything that that you have to make. It's a really, really, really big expense when it comes to gas, and literally my school is like 20 minutes away, and her school is like literally 5 minutes away, which is crazy. I'm very excited to be here in Orlando, and I'm closer to a lot of the guys, and I know the Honda scene over here is a lot different, so it's gonna be a little bit better when it comes to making videos as well. I know Bodhi Vision is here in Orlando, so maybe we can do a collab soon. I don't know, we'll see. But it's up to him. He's super cool dude, and I'm very excited, so we'll see. And I did open it. He put it in this box, which is kind of cool. I appreciate that. Thank you, man. I'm gonna do a video about me fixing these window visors, but I just want to open the package, make a video in the new home, and post the video because I haven't in a while. I think my last video was like a week and a half ago. So now that the move is done and over with, oh my god, I can finally pick up the camera or my phone, because I use my phone, which is, hey, whatever you can do, right? So I'm actually kind of glad that I'm able. Wow, he did the most, yo. So he wrapped it in paper, right, and newspaper, put it in a box, and then this thing had bubble wrapping inside or whatever, and then did this. So that is super cool. And we have these clips here. Oh, wow, this guy's amazing, man. So I got the little corner ones, the ones that go on the end of the visor. So these, right, they go, let me see. So they go like this. No, wait. Like that. So it goes like that, so that it can catch the beginning, and then you can kind of clip it. I don't even know. This is gonna be a learning process for me as well. So stick around, watch the video of me trying to clip these on. I'm still trying to find the best glue that I can possibly find, because I wanted to rivet these in, but I'm scared because this plastic is it's just not a good idea. If I drill these visors and they crack, they're done. So I'm not gonna do that. These visors are also missing these big ones, which are a lot different. These go on the top, and they go like, let's see, they go like this, they go like that right there, so like that one. And so yeah, I needed 3 of the end pieces. My son's nuts. He's hitting the glass. He sent me 3 of the end pieces and 3 at the top, which is kind of cool. I told him specifically what I needed, and he was able to find them and send them out, which is awesome because they arrived in a really good time. And yeah, I'm very excited about this. I'm very thankful that he was able to do that for me, and I can't wait to put this in and put it on my car. I don't know when it's gonna be the next. I hate saying that, but I do not know when it's gonna be the next time I'm gonna be working on my car, because as some of you may know, I am still working on my license to get my license again reinstated, which sucks because it's a long process. I have to go to court again. Guys, if you have a suspended license, do not drive with a suspended license. Take it from my personal mistake, personal experience, because it's the worst. Especially when you have to do a lot of stuff with the DMV, and it's just a hassle. It's not worth going through it. It's not worth going through the headache. So if you have to wait. But with that being, what? You need a bath. Yeah, you need a bath. But with that being said, I'm just gonna cut this off here. I wanted to talk to you guys, show you guys what I got in the mail. I do have the seats coming. They're coming. They're coming, guys. So that's gonna be another video. More parts are gonna come in soon, hopefully. Little by little, the more that I can get in, the more I can post. So I did talk about try to maybe build a t-shirt and try to sell it, see if we can. I mean, I'm not up there yet with all the YouTubers, but it'll help me out build more videos. I'm thinking about doing that, but maybe later on when I reach a little bit more subscribers. But with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and being always there and watching my videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon in the next one. I hope it doesn't take 2 weeks to post, but it's just a lot still. So we are still trying to get settled in and unpack and get everything settled. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.